Kitchen cleaning procedures by comfy maids. Place the caddy within easy reach, never on the countertop. Work clockwise around the room from top to bottom. Use the wool duster for up and down. Reach corners of ceilings and baseboards, removing dust or cobwebs from blinds, cornices, ceiling fans, lights and vents. Take the rubbish bag out of the bin and put it to one side, but somewhere where you won't forget it. Be sure to place a new bag in the bin. Wipe the outside of the bin as necessary to remove fingerprints from food waste. If the kitchen has mats, place it outside the kitchen so that they can be vacuumed. Pay attention to the location of the mats so you know where to put them back. If the mats cannot be vacuumed, then shake them up. Spray and wipe surfaces with all-purpose cleaner. Clean fingerprints, food and residue stains on cabinets. Also check doors. If there is a pantry, open the door, sweep and mop the floors in the pantry. Be sure to clean the window behind the sink. Work from back to front, moving items to clean under and behind them. When moving items off the worktop, move them straight ahead or lift them up far enough to clear the worktop behind them. Before putting the items back, make sure to clean or dust them. The microwave. Clean the microwave inside and out, removing any food. This includes the top and doors. Remove the dish, wipe it clean and put it back in place. If there is a large amount of food buildup, it may need to be sprayed and left to soak. The stove area. Remove any objects from the cooker top. Spray with all-purpose cleaner and let soak if necessary. Clean the top of the exhaust fan and wall tile or backsplash. Clean around knobs, removing them if possible. Also remove electrical elements and drip pans. Lift the top of the cooker by wiping the underside of the cooker clean of crumbs. The countertop. Continue cleaning countertops and continue working around the kitchen. Clean the exterior of appliances such as refrigerators, refrigerator surfaces and handles, ovens, dishwashers, bins, etc. The refrigerator. When cleaning the refrigerator, be sure to clean the handles and surface. Take all the products out of the fridge, clean the interior well. Be sure to clean the tray and water/ice dispensers. Place 2 complimentary bottles of water. The sink area. Remove items in and around the sink area. Clean the sink using all-purpose cleaner but do not use it on the taps as it may scratch them. Be sure to clean around the taps. Also check where the sink meets the worktop for any build-up. Use a toothbrush for hard-to-reach places. Use the perfect clean polishing cloth to remove any stains. The stainless steel appliances. Use all-purpose cleaner to clean. Then scrub with your stainless steel cleaner. If the customer has a specific cleaner they want used, use it. The kitchen floor. Mop floors according to their type. For wood, vinegar and water is generally used. Tile or vinyl floors are usually cleaned with a diluted solution of all-purpose cleaner, unless the customer requests something different. Do not scatter the mop where you are not going to clean the floor. Change the water often. Leave the floor dry. This is very important because if you put the rugs down and the floor is still wet, it can stick to the floor. Put the mats back in the right places. Avoid walking on clean floors. Check again, turn off lights.